Hey kids! Today, I'll be showing you how to install Windows 95 in 86box. So let's begin. First, download 86box. Link will be in the description. You also want to grab the ROMs. Due to YouTube's restrictions, I can't provide links to them in the description, but you can find them online pretty easily. Once you open the program, make a new machine. Make a new configuration, and call it whatever you want. Click Finish, and it'll bring you to the configuration screen. You can make any configuration you want, but here's a recommended period accurate one that I use. Machine type, socket 5, machine, i430FX, FIC PT2000, memory, 32 megabytes, CPU type, Intel Pentium P54C, frequency, 133 megahertz, video card, PCI S3 Vision 864, keyboard, AT keyboard, mouse, PS2 mouse, sound card, ISA16, Sound Blaster 16, network mode, Slurp, network adapter, PCI DEC chip 21140, Tulip FasterNet, floppy disk controller, internal device, CD-ROM controller, ISA MKE Panasonic interface, hard disk controller, internal device, floppy drive A, 3.5 inch 1.44 megabytes, floppy drive B, 5.25 inch 1.2 megabytes, and CD-ROM drive, a TAPI bus, channel 0:1, type NEC CD-ROM drive 280 1.05, 6-speed. For the recommended hard disk, put the file wherever you want. Make sure it's IDE on channel 0:0. Put 2048 for the cylinders, 16 for the heads, and 63 for the sectors, giving you 1008 megabytes in total, and click OK. Once you're done configuring, click OK on the window and the VM will appear in your library. Click Start. Pause the virtual machine. Go to Media, Floppy 1, Existing Image. Put in a Windows 95 boot disk, which I have linked in the description for download. Then go to Media, CD-ROM 1, Existing Image. Put in a Windows 95 ISO, which I have also linked in the description for download. It'll come up with some sort of CMOS error. Press the setup key. In my case, it's delete. This will vary from BIOS to BIOS, but set up the floppy disk if need be, and set up the hard disk if it doesn't auto-detect it. Put in the number of cylinders, heads, and sectors you entered on the configuration screen. Exit to BIOS and save changes. Quick tip, if you don't want to sit through all the boot up sequence and file copying, click this yellow fast forward button. Once you're loaded into the DOS prompt, type fdisk and press enter. Press 1, 1, then Y. Release your mouse cursor by middle clicking and press this icon, or just press Ctrl F12 or Ctrl FN F12. Once you're back at the DOS prompt, type Format C. Press enter, press Y, and then enter. Once the format's complete, you can make a volume label if you want. Now you don't have to do this part to install Windows 95, but it's highly recommended to make the install go faster and to avoid any weird issues during setup. Go to your new C drive and make a directory, calling it anything you want. Go into your new directory and type copy r:/win95/star.star. This will copy all the installation file from the CD to the hard drive. Once it's done copying, you can safely remove the CD. Make sure you're in your installation file directory and type setup. If you want to skip ScanDisk, type setup/is. Click continue and setup will start. Accept the license agreement and click next. Then choose your install directory and your setup type. Enter this product key and click next. Enter your name and company if needed. Then check both devices, click next, and it will analyze your computer. Then choose the components you want to install and if you want to start a disk or not. After that, click next to begin copying files. After it's done, click finish, remove the boot disk by going to Media, Floppy 1, Eject, click OK, and the computer will restart. Since we have a network card, we'll have to provide a computer and workgroup name. Then it'll copy over a few more files and do a few more things. Select your time zone and click cancel on the printer setup since we don't have a printer attached. Click OK and it'll restart again. Type in the name you set earlier and a password if you want one. Finally, it'll boot into the desktop. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!